welcome back to my channel. So I went to the Dollar Tree again. I didn't even mean to go there, like for real. Like I did not even mean to go there this time. I had to get animal food for our goats and duck, and the place I go get it is right next door to Dollar Tree. So I'm like, no, I'll just go in there and get some cards. I did get cards. So I got these like little blank cards. They're from Hallmark. They have the price tag of $3.89 on them. So I thought that was a really good deal. You get 6 little blank note cards. I thought these would be good to like write thank you cards in. That is what I went there for. So I did actually get what I got what I want. And then we always get our kids like a little something for Halloween. So I picked them up some cards as well. I thought these were so cute. I did grab those while I was just in the section, but I grabbed other stuff too because I didn't go up and down every aisle, you guys. I did go down a couple aisles. I thought these were so cute. I don't care when people say like, oh, I don't know how you can say Dollar Tree stuff is cute. My mom says this all the time. She goes, you girls, and if I like make her out, she's like 100 years old. She's like, you girls and your Dollar Tree hauls, and she's like, everything is always so cute. But for real, these have gingerbread. I got a pot holder and I got a towel. These have gingerbread cookie recipe on it. So ingredients, the prep cook time, preheat. I thought these were so cute. So I really liked those. I thought these would even be good for like a cute gift, and you can always like throw some gingerbread mix or something, or like even like if you're gonna like buy the ingredients for it, which that's probably a lot of stuff. But anyways, I thought those were really cute. I actually grabbed 2 of these. I just thought those were so cute. The next thing, a lot of stuff is like super really random, but I found a ton of name brand stuff. I'm gonna start with this. These are Duncan Hines perfect size for 1 s'mores cake. So you just like stick these in a cup and then like pour water in it. I think that's all you do. Yeah, water, cake mix, and you make a cup of cake, which, okay, like it takes like a minute to make, so I'm not even gonna complain. But you get 4 in a package. These are like $4 at Walmart. I've always looked at these, but I'm like, I'm not paying like $3 or $4 for these. So that is what they look like. I bought a few of them because why not? I'm assuming they're good. It said it was a new item at my store, so I was really excited to grab those. The next thing is I grabbed these Tower Game Jenga. They're kind of like Jenga. Mine has never just had all the plain ones in it. Usually it comes with a dark brown. So I did see that these were pretty new. I hate to say like I don't go there all the time. I have been there a lot lately, but like I haven't really looked for them, so maybe they're not new, but it's something new that I seen. I grabbed a couple more bags of this unicorn poop. My girls, especially Presley, she is so obsessed with this. Like when it's gone, like she either cries or whines, or she's really sad. And so every time we grab these, she's like, poop. She wants to eat unicorn poop. So probably should have told her they're marshmallows, but it's way funnier her saying she wants to eat poop. And then the next thing I found was these Crayola bath bombs. I thought these were really fun. My girls love bath bombs, so I thought this would be fun because it changes into blue, yellow, and green. The next like name brand thing I found were these Wilton sprinkles, and this is a pretty good chunk of sprinkles. These are pretty pricey at the store. Usually they come in like the little tubes you shake, but these I just thought were a really good deal, and they're little pumpkins. And then I seen a bunch of mirrors. They have circle and like hexagons maybe, I don't even know. And then they have squares, and they have gold and silver, and they're like this. You're gonna probably see all of my junk in the background, but they have glitter on the sides. I grabbed the silver ones, and now I realize I was missing these as well. The last time I went to the Dollar Tree, I like must have like left a bag. They didn't have it because I asked when I was there, but I don't know. I grabbed gold, but then I decided that I probably just like silver a lot better anyways, so I grabbed that. And I did find another one of these. I think these are so cute. So it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas, and that says cookies for Santa right there. I just think that is so cute. Bought quite a bit of baking stuff, so I was kind of excited. They have Baker's chocolate bars. This one is in German sweet chocolate, and then this is just bittersweet chocolate. I thought this would be really fun for just people who like to bake. I am probably gonna do like some kind of gift with these, so I just bought those. I also grabbed like some cookie mix. I know they always have these. They're probably small. I know they're smaller, but you can still make like 12 cookies, so I still still think that's a pretty decent deal just for these little packages. I grabbed food coloring and some pure vanilla extract. This stuff is so expensive anywhere else, so if you can find this, I would just grab some just in case. I also grabbed this gold gel face mask. I think this is just like kind of a cool little thing. It's supposed to help reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and then you just take 15 minutes to put on your face and take it off. Like, I swear like that I'm starting to get like wrinkles right here. Like, it's probably just from having like a mean look on my face all the time, but I'm hoping that something like helps that, or like I hope this doesn't break my face out. But I will try anything for a reasonable price. And then I also found these. They're starting to get more Christmas stuff out. These were like too cute not to pass up. They have little Chihuahua notebooks with a little pen. These would be really great stocking stuffers. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet with these, but I thought those were cute. I have 2 kids, so I just got them the same thing just in case. I don't know, just in case. And then I grabbed another one of these Christmas trees. I feel like last year, like they have a ton at my store and like I don't think they're ever gonna go anywhere, but last year when I went to get more, they were all gone. So I just picked up one more just in case I can come up with a DIY. I don't know. And then they have all of these Yes To face masks. I grabbed like 2 of each. I already grabbed one of these and someone said they were amazing. These are like $2.99 everywhere at Ulta and like Walmart and stuff like that. So I wanted to grab just a few of them. I just didn't grab 2 of each, but the ones I thought were really good, these are just like sleep masks. So I grabbed this one. This one is a grapefruit. This one's a coconut. There's a cucumber one, which is this one. And then they had these comforting mud mats, and it says Yes To cotton. I'm not really sure what this one is, but I don't know. I just thought that for the price, I would just grab some and try them out. The last thing I grabbed is these little bonbons. My girls have bought these before at this store. They are just like fun little like surprise things. Like, I think this is a really good deal, especially when all the surprise things are like $3 everywhere else. Like, I don't know what it is about the kids, but they love like the little surprise things. So I grabbed 2 of these, one for Presley, one for Scarlett. And like I said, we've had these before and they're just like little squishy animals like this, but still really fun. And you guys, that is it for my haul. I didn't even, like I said, I got like just lots of baking goods, but I thought that was like so fun and stuff. So I think this stuff will make awesome Christmas gifts. Like, so if you guys can like build a basket full of like baking goods, like I would try to get stuff now, because I just think that spending $10 or $15 at the dollar store and making a big basket of like name brand goodie stuff is like amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.